We plan a picnic. We plan a picnic. I wake up early. I wake up early. My mother cooks food. My mother cooks food. We pack snacks and drinks. We pack snacks and drinks. I fill the water bottles. I fill the water bottles. My father carries the basket. My father carries the basket. We put the mat in the car. We put the mat in the car. Everyone gets ready quickly. Everyone gets ready quickly. We leave after breakfast. We leave after breakfast. We sing songs on the way. We sing songs on the way. We reach the park safely. We reach the park safely. I choose a shady spot. I choose a shady spot. We spread the picnic mat. We spread the picnic mat. My sister arranges the food. My sister arranges the food. The weather feels pleasant. The weather feels pleasant. We eat sandwiches and fruits. We eat sandwiches and fruits. I pour juice into cups. I pour juice into cups. The children run happily. The children run happily. We play cricket nearby. We play cricket nearby. My friend flies a kite. My friend flies a kite. We take many photos. We take many photos. Birds sit near us. Birds sit near us. We listen to music. We listen to music. The kids play hide and seek. The kids play hide and seek. Everyone laughs together. Everyone laughs together. We share our snacks. We share our snacks. I collect the empty bottles. I collect the empty bottles. We clean the picnic area. We clean the picnic area. We pack the bags again. We pack the bags again. We return home happily. We return home happily.